Today we got to see a very old banyan tree. Can't tell exactly the age, but looking at it, it seems that it has been standing on this place for centuries. Going around the branches of one of the original tree, 6 trees have formed there, and when you look closely, you will notice that they also look very old. It is known as Bhairoba in the garden, means Bagetla Bhairoba, because of the temple of Bhairoba situated there. This place is located at South Tambve and Aarevadi, Taluka Karad, district Satara, Maharashtra. We wanted to figure out how old it must be. So, look and decide how old this tree must be. Thank you. An important thing, keep exploring and discovering new.